Hi, I'm Jim Ani. I'm the VP of Products for 5G as well as Automotive. I also serve as a VP of Marketing for the company. And what I'm going to do is show you some of the applications where Gorilla RF products find homes, specifically in cellular infrastructure or cellular repeaters, as well as in automotive compensators. So I'm going to start with the cellular repeaters first. And if you look at this block diagram, this is common for these type of components. What you'll find, you have a donor antenna that receives the signal from outside the home or outside of business, wherever it may be. The signal then gets conditioned with a series of blocks that we provide, and then we kick the signal back out through distribution antenna. So the first piece we're going to talk about, these are for cellular repeaters. This is the external antenna. Basically, it's a part that receives a signal from outside the home or the business, and then that signal, once it gets received, it gets transmitted via cable over to the repeater block. Now this is representative of many of the cellular repeaters or boosters, and inside you'll find a series of components that help to, if you will, condition the signal, amplify it, and then kick it back out through another cable. Once it circumvents the boundary of the home, it sends it through another cable into the distribution antenna, which may look like this. This is the other sample. In terms of a block diagram for this, what we do at Gorilla, we work very hard with our customers to define the requirements for these various blocks. We have a series of gain blocks, DSAs, drivers, linear PAs, and then of course the LNAs shown in red. The parts in gold here are the new switches that we're coming out with Gorilla as well. All right. So in addition to the applications for cellular repeaters, we also find our products used in the compensator application in automotive. So you might be familiar with the shark fin antennas that you find on the top of most cars nowadays. If you ever decap one of these radomes on the top of the shark fin, you'll find a series of antennas. You have two cellular antennas, you might have a GPS antenna, an STARS antenna, or Sirius XM antenna, and others like V2X, which is coming down the road. In cellular applications for the automobile, it's the same constraint, right? If you work through the signal as it moves through the cabin of the vehicle, the cabin itself constrains or limits the amount of signal propagation you get back into the car, into the phone that's used in the car. And so you want to use the same type of amplification that we use and showed here for the home use. Just like we have on home use where all the electronics are placed in this booster unit, the same would hold true in the automotive space. So here's a unit for BMW. It's a compensator or compensator as they call it. And in this, you'll find a series of, again, the same amplifiers, the gain blocks, the linear PAs, the drivers, the LNAs, and DSAs. Same type of functionality where you condition the signal as it comes in from outside the vehicle, in through the shark fin, and it routes through on basically the side pillar where they typically mount these. The product is then amplified, or the signal's amplified, and then pushed back in to another cradle, if you will, where you would place your handset. This is very popular in Europe, by the way, and we think it'll be coming here to the US in the near future. So, with that, if you have any other questions, we encourage you to come by our booth. We're in 7102 here at the IMS show floor. We'll be here every day on Tuesday, Wednesday, and through Thursday. And you can just ask for me. My name again is Jim Ani, and again, I'm the VP of Automotive and 5G over at Gorilla RF, and I also handle the marketing functions. Thank you.